Hey, Todd here. With everything going on in the housing market right now, it's been a lot to keep track of. And if you're thinking of buying or selling a home, you're probably already feeling like you got your hands full. And that's where I come in. I keep my pulse on the latest trends in the industry and can explain what they mean for you. Here are just a few of the top questions I'm answering right now. 1. What's happening with mortgage rates? Rates have risen dramatically this year in response to higher inflation. 2. Where are home prices headed? Prices are moderating as the market cools, but that doesn't mean that it's crashing. 3. Should I buy or sell a house right now? Well, that always depends on your situation. An expert can help you explore your options to decide what's best for you. So if you're thinking of making a move, you probably have questions too, and I've got the answers. So let's connect so you'll feel confident in your decision to buy or sell a home, and we can break all these questions down. I'm Todd Poor with TD Realty, and we're having a home buyers webinar Thursday at 7 p.m. Sign up at toddpoorrealty.com, and I'll leave a link. Thanks, everybody.